Cryptocurrency emerged from the shadows of the 2008 global financial crisis, offering an alternative to traditional financial systems. With Bitcoin leading the charge since its inception in 2009, the digital currency landscape has exploded to include over 5,000 cryptocurrencies, boasting a staggering market capitalization of approximately $2.5 trillion as of May 2024. But what exactly is Bitcoin, and how does it differ from the thousands of other digital currencies? Bitcoin is the original digital currency, a decentralized form of money that operates without the oversight of central banks, relying on cryptography for security. It's a virtual currency that exists on a blockchain, a ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. Unlike Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies like Ether support smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain, while stablecoins are pegged to hard currencies like the US dollar. Then there are altcoins, which use blockchain technology in unique ways, and memecoins, often inspired by popular culture, like Dogecoin, which was influenced by the Shiba Inu dog breed. When it comes to investment duration, Morningstar's role in portfolio framework suggests a minimum holding period of 10 years for cryptocurrency investments. This recommendation is based on historical data, showing the frequency of losses and the time needed to recover from market downturns. Cryptocurrency's volatile nature means that patience is key for those looking to include it in their portfolios. The question of how much cryptocurrency to include in a portfolio is complex. While the past years have seen crypto's value skyrocket, tempting investors to go all in, the reality is that its volatility and risk of drawdowns cannot be ignored. Moreover, as cryptocurrencies become more mainstream, their value as portfolio diversifiers diminishes. With increasing correlations to other asset classes and the potential for speculative bubbles, a conservative approach suggests limiting crypto exposure to 5% or less of your portfolio. For some investors, it may even be wise to avoid cryptocurrency entirely. In conclusion, while cryptocurrency offers an exciting frontier in the financial world, it's essential to approach it with caution. Understanding the basics of Bitcoin and other digital currencies, considering the long-term investment horizon, and determining the right portfolio allocation are crucial steps for anyone looking to navigate the cryptocurrency landscape.